Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. This is the GLIMS Media. My name is Adeola Deus. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to set up your webmail. You might have seen something like XY or info at xyz.com. Now this xyz is actually the domain name, okay, but this info at xyz.com makes it a webmail. So in this tutorial video I want to show you how you can set up a webmail for a company. And if a company actually reached out to you now, for example, that they need a webmail, I get to my point now. If they tell you that they need a webmail, what do you have to do is simply to log into your cPanel. Now if you're actually doing this kind of job for a client, trust me, you can charge the sum of 15,000 naira. 15,000 naira just to create a webmail for them, because they don't know the process, but you make it look as if it's a very big process, you understand. And you charge the sum of 15,000 naira when the company has a domain name and hosting already. But if they don't have a domain name and hosting, of course you have to charge them for the name of to buy the domain name, and also for you to now design their webmail. So some clients may just reach out to you that, okay, I just simply need a webmail, I don't need a website for now. Maybe they just want to include it in their letterhead, you understand. So you just tell them, okay, I can design or I can create a webmail for you for the sum of 15,000 naira. Even if you charge the sum of 10,000 naira, you understand, it's still something too. Alright, so I want to show you. I want to log on to my so the first thing I'm going to do now is to log on to my cPanel. Alright, so my cPanel, I go to my cPanel, I log on to my cPanel. Alright, as a web designer, please, you should have a website. You should have your own website. So if you don't have a website yet, try as much as possible to buy a domain name and hosting, because you may be using your own website to advertise too. Even away from using your website to advertise, you might be using it to advertise people's products and they'll be paying you, you understand. So you should have a website. Alright, so I'm going to look for email. Yes, I'll look for email accounts. Alright, email accounts. Alright, so I'm going to create one. Alright, so the question is create an email account. Alright, username. What username do I want to use? info@glimsmedia.com. info@glimsmedia.com. Alright, so I have to set my password too. Alright, I've been able to set up my password, so I will click on what? Create. I'll click on create. Alright, so I've created this this webmail in just how many minutes? 1 minute or so. I've created this now, info@glimsmedia.com. Now the sweet thing about this thing is that what you can actually create for many persons in this organization. So if the manager of that company now needs his own personal email, you can say manager@glimsmedia.com, this at contact us at glimsmedia.com, support@glimsmedia.com. You can have them. So what they are telling you here is that what I have used one out of the 30 options that are available for me. There are some domain names that you will buy, like business packs. There are so many what is it called now, email accounts that you can create using their this thing. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to go this mail. Okay, I have to configure it. I'll click on open. I'll click on open. Alright, it's because I'm here to configure it, that's why this one did not open. Okay, so I'll click on open. Alright, then I'll click on identity. I'll click on identity. I'll go to settings, then I'll go to identities, then I'll click on create. Alright, the name I actually want to appear is GLIMS Media. Alright, the email, alright, organization. Now the organization is GLIMS Media. Alright, so what's the next thing? Alright, let me first of all clear it. I have to create the name of the organization. Display name is GLIMS Media. Alright, organization is GLIMS Media. Alright, so I'll save it. Alright, so it has been saved now. It has been saved right now. So if I want to compose a mail now, for example, okay, I will just go to this particular one, create a new message, then I'll type the name, the email I'm sending it to, okay, the subject and the content, the body of the words, the letter. Then if I have any document to attach, I will just click on this particular one, okay, to attach a file, maybe from my PC. You can see it now. So I haven't done that now. I will just click on what, send. Alright, so it's very simple to create a webmail for a client. Alright, let me check this again. GLIMS Media. Let me see if it's going to open now. It should open actually. Let me input my email. Can you see it now? So it has opened right now. Alright, it has opened right now. So I've been able to set up my webmail. So all I'm just going to do now is to click on open. If I have a new mail, I'll just click on open. Alright, can see it now. Alright, so if I also want to set up autoresponder, maybe I want to set up autoresponder. Are you going on vacation? So you could just set up autoresponder. Alright, autoresponder is just like to automate responses. Okay, so all I just have to do now is to add autoresponder. Alright, so this message contains HTML body immediately, so I'll just be like, okay, character set interval, let me just put 0. Alright, so you can always respond at any time from alright, I'll just put thank you. Alright, thank you for your email. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Alright, so I'll just create it. Okay, subject, thank you. Alright, create. Alright, so this is an autoresponder. Alright, it means you are trying to automate your response, just like your WhatsApp for business. You can see it now. So it is very, very easy to do. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, this is how to create your webmail. So I created this webmail by going to my Cpanel. From my Cpanel, I decided to click on email account. After clicking on my email account, I now have to go through my what's it called now. From the email account, I created it and then I now configured it. From there, then I now went to webmail, GLIMS media, the name of my domain name.com, then my webmail, then it brought me to this particular place. Okay, then the next thing is to open if I have a message. Okay, so very, very simple. So once in a while, if you know you are the kind of person that receives messages a lot from your website, you just go to your GLIMS your website.com, you understand, then /webmail to access your email. So it is very, very easy to use. Thank you for watching this video. Please ensure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name remains Adeola Deyus. You can connect with me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is just below this video here. Understood? So you could check the description to check for my WhatsApp number. If you have any question to ask, you can always send me a message. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video, and please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel.